The Debut Evo 2 turntable is very easy to set up. Just follow this guide step by step. Right on top is the dust cover. Beneath, you'll find all the parts like counterweight, anti-skidding weight, and so on. Remove the eco-friendly pulp fiber inlay, and there it is, the Debut Evo 2. On the bottom, you'll find the full cast aluminum platter. Find a level surface for your turntable. Adjust the feet if necessary. Unpack the drive belt and put it around the pulley and sub-platter. Give it a spin. Mount the platter. Undo the tone arm twist tie. Put the counterweight in place. Put a record on. Level the tone arm and set the counterweight to the correct tracking force. Put the loop of the anti-skate weight in the second groove on the tone arm post. Plug in the RCA and power cable. Unpack the dust cover and place it on the turntable. Pro tip: remove the dust cover when playing records to minimize vibrations that could interfere with the audio signal.